here with the JAECOO. Lovely Alina's going to tell us what is so special about this car. Go.
What's so special about this car? Everything. Can you not see the interior? We've got some...
Interior's great. What about the off-roading? Apparently that's pretty good.
I haven't off-roaded it yet, so I don't know. But in terms of everyone's feedback, amazing with off-roading.
Yeah.
It's such a good drive. It can do wading, I think up to, what was it, 600 something millilitres of water, which is really, really good. And you can have a massage while you're literally off-roading, so why would you
Down with that. Down with that.
Yeah,
Brilliant. Is that just driver or both passengers?
Both passenger.
Both.
I think it's even at the back as well. If you've got the executive, you can have it at the back seats as well.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Cheers.
Bye.